Running like shit right now, right? Unplug that. Let it idle. Let it arc right over. Runs fine. Right there. Take this away. Runs like shit. Plug it in. Runs like shit. Weird.